Hi guys, this is 2010 VW Golf GTI. So this 2-liter engine. So this car had a problem is like a check engine light is on. So we're going to first scan the car, then have a look what's the scan saying. Okay guys, you can see the cluster when you start the car. That's check engine light is stay on. Engine little bit rough idling. Okay guys, check the scan it. You can see enter. It's showing P0171 system 2 lean bank 1. So that means some blockage or the injectors or something like that. So I'm going to remove out for the intake manifold, then have a look what's going inside. Okay, here the intake manifold. So we're going to off this manifold to the reach for the injectors. It's going underneath, so we need to pull out all the things out. So I'm off here 2 screws in here. So these 2 screws, you can move it now. One is here, another one is here. Okay guys, we off this side all the connector, the vacuum line in here, one this connector, all disconnect, and you can see in here I off this 17mm high pressure pump, the back side. Okay guys, we have to off this the manifold bolt. You can see in here it's called T30. So they have 1, 2, 3 and 4 in here, and you can see the underneath in here another bolts. It's hard to see. One is here, and over another 10mm bolt here. You have to off that one. Like this. Okay guys, can a little bit move it manifold. You can see in here all the bolts. So now I'm going to off the oil filter. You can see I off the oil filter. You can see in here it's touching when you're removing. Okay guys, we're going to pull out the intake manifold. Alright. Okay guys, I already off the manifold. So there are one bracket in here. So we need to this off is going to the underneath for the manifold. So you can see the inside. Need to off this wiring harness. So underneath is going the clips in here. Another clip in here. It's injector connector. Okay, here's the injector. You can see the injector top is getting clogged. All 4 injector. So that's why that leaning cord getting on. So you can see the injector tips is completely blocked, all the same. So we need to take off this gasket, need to replace this gasket also, and we have to clean for the injectors. So I'm going to clean the injector. So I got the injector cleaner. So then I put my battery, 12-volt battery, and I need some airline. So then I got the machine and connect to the injector. I can reduce the the injector speed. Okay, then I put some injector cleaner in the pressure line. Okay, and so then you can see the injectors pressuring. So this is the clean injectors. So then we have to replace this gasket. So we install the new gasket. Okay, you're going to install the manifold. Guys, we installed the oil filter, the intake manifold, all the bolt tighten. Okay, we use the input back. Now we have to put the cowling back in. Then we have to start the car. Okay guys, we start the car. You can see the car is running fine. No misfiring, no hesitation. Okay guys, you can see this still stay on the check engine light. So I'm going to erase that one. Okay, light is gone. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one.